everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my camper. Today I have this, it's the wake up light. And let's see, it comes with you have to use an app for it. So where's I'll try it on my iPad, which I have right here, thankfully. And I have a lot of papers that fall out, so let's see what else we're going to need from it. I don't know, let's open it up and see how it goes. Hopefully my iPad is charged. Okay, so in it we have, just like it comes with a wire. Looks like it's USB-C, so that works out good. USB to USB-C. I can plug that in right here into my USB port there. So now I have a plugged-in USB-C one. And then here is the item itself. So let's see if we plug it in. What even happened? Ooh, it lights up. So let's see. Is there a manual? Did I do something with it? I have no idea. Oh, right here. Fell out of the box. I guess it was just stuck onto the side. So let's see. So that's what it looks like right now. I'll leave it right here, and let's see what we need to do. We probably are going to have to scan something to install the app. But, are there buttons on it anyways? Yeah. Oh, I hear cricket noises. It actually sounds pretty good. Pretty cool. Well, let's hook it up to the phone. Let's see how we do that. I'm sure there's probably a QR code somewhere. Here we go. And see if my iPad's even charged. I gotta wait for it to turn on. I didn't prepare very well. Okay, so I'm back, and here we are. We got it installed, and now it says it wants to use Bluetooth. And it says, oh, I didn't. I missed it. Oh, it just says it. Connection symbols displayed. Press and hold the mode button on the back of the lamp for 2 seconds. The link between the lamp and the phone will be reset. Okay, so let's try it here. My lamps. So we're going to add a lamp. Make sure the lamp is on and near you. So here we go, my lampy. And here we are. So now I can, I just changed the volume. I can turn it loud. I can change my white noise to frog, to rain, to a bird, to winds. That's pretty cool. Cicadas, water flow. I would think that would make me want to go pee, but that's pretty cool though. Here's a fountain. Okay, so pretty cool. And then let's see. So then I can probably change the colors too. Here's the brightness of it. So I can turn the brightness down. The time is 21:53. Oh, that is the right time. I guess I just need to change my time to 12-hour time. That's probably in the settings somewhere. Let's see, 24-hour time off. Turn Bluetooth on. There we go. Get a change up, 9:53. That's the right time. It's weird that it has a 0 though. Usually that would just not show, but it's okay. What if I change this? Changing the changes the brightness of it. I see. I can change the brightness of the ball separate from the brightness of the clock. That's kind of cool. And then let's see what else I can do here. I can set an alarm. I could set a timer. Cool. Just change my noises, so I like it. Turn the brightness way up. Oh, it even says PM. Oh, and it has a battery. See, oh, that's the one thing I noticed that was cool that I was doing when I was trying to figure stuff out. So let me turn my noise here down to mute. So here, see, this is it right now. But watch, if I unplug it, it still keeps working. It's got a battery in there. So that's really cool. So that's good. So that means even if like the power went out or something, you're still going to have it working, which is really nice. And I guess when it wakes up, it'll wake up to the light. And I can change my color, so I can just say I want a red ball. Or, I don't know what this one is. Oh, I guess it rotates. Or, I don't know what colors these are. I'm colorblind, but pretty cool. Go back to some frogs. Make it sound like there's frogs in the camper. But there you go. You can see the little app there. And the app is called Magical Lamp. So, that's that. That's pretty cool though. So now it's on. I can just do off, and then everything just turns off, and the clock stays on. I guess. Pretty cool. Nice little lamp. I'm gonna give this one a thumbs up. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. And it's cool. It looks like it also has Bluetooth to play music and stuff too. So I could connect it up for that, for the speaker to play music instead if I wanted to. So thumbs up for me. Love it. So that's it. I'll be back with some more stuff soon. Bye.